come over here. It's frosted glass, but you can actually unfrost this. There you go. So you can see outside if you'd like. Let's open up. Here we are, ride sharing. This is the future of the smart car. And because you're ride sharing, they've thought of something here. This is hand disinfectant. So you can get disinfectant on your way in, disinfectant on your way out, off you go. That's kind of cool. This is storage here. Also storage under here. If you have something, you can pull this up and store it underneath. This center console can go down if you know the person you're sitting next to. Otherwise, you can keep it up. Jump in. Okay, let's go for a drive.